Alright, Zane, what are we doing today?
I am building my computer.
Cool. Okay, so we got other parts here. And
we
got a list. Okay, so the first thing on the list is the motherboard. Show me the motherboard. Cool. Okay, that's the motherboard. Now the next one is CPU, the brain of everything.
The brain.
So that's the brain. Okay.
Brain.
Now the RAM that holds all the memory. RAM holds the memory. Then the GPU, the graphics card. Graphics card, cool. That's all the graphics. Now the storage keeps all the memories and game that you save of the storage. Yep, that's the storage. All right. Now the PSU, which is the power supply that powers everything, like the power. So that's the power. Good job. Okay, now the fans. We have 2 fans that cool down the system when you play for too long. Okay, that's the fans. Got it? Now the modem, the wireless modem. The modem. Yeah, that's the modem. Okay, let's get all that stuff on the internet. Now we got the keyboard.
The keyboard. Oh, let's get the mouse.
Got the keyboard.
Oh, I love this keyboard.
All right, we got the keyboard and we have the mouse.
The mouse.
Okay, cool with the mouse. And the final thing is the case to put everything together. Case. All right, cool. Ready to build?
Yes, let's.
So the first step is to put the
chip right there.
So the brain, right? So we're going to check those 2 off once we put that together. Right here.
Open
right
brain.
here. Okay, what's the next step?
Put the chip inside in here. Be careful.
Okay.
So
Close it.
okay. Trying to not force it. This is the CPU cooler. It's gonna cool down the CPU.
Okay, so you're gonna install that, right? Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna put this. So
Okay, this in. What's next, Zane?
now we need to take out the RAM.
Okay, and we're going to install that.
Right here, let's just slide
This
it
last.
in.
Okay.
Just slide it into the right one.
Yeah, so this slot right there. Put it in. Got there's a little notch that you put in. Okay, got it. Down right here. Down. Right there. Okay. Close those up. Good job. Okay, what's next? So we already did the RAM, right? So mark the RAM off. We just installed the RAM. Good. Okay, next is we'll go to the case. We'll put the case. Put the whole motherboard in the case. Okay. Now let's screw the top one too. Got it? You got it? Alright. Now we're exposing it. Now let's put it back in together, okay?
Okay.
Okay, got this motherboard mounted. Ready for next steps?
We're gonna replace this fan as a new fan.
So we get this fan out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Right, now a fan right there too, huh? Put 2 fans right there, okay.
We upgrade the 2 fans. Now we need to check it off.
Okay, so here's the 2 fan. And I guess we'll go and check it out.
Check it.
Great, so that's the fans right there. We slap this magnetic thing to close up. Boom, done with that one. Next steps.
Next.
Ready?
Now we need to open the power supply.
So that's the next step. So we'll put the power supply in here.
Now let's open it.
Okay, what's the next step, Zane?
We're gonna play with bubble wrap.
Oh, okay. I'll put this together.
Just kidding. Oh, that is putting the power supply.
So this is the power supply. You just slip it through. And just put in.
And I'm holding the camera.
All you do is put the 4 screws to the supply. Do the 4 screws right here. Another screw right here. Okay, what we got now? So this one is power supply is installed, so we gotta check that off.
Okay. The power
Supply. Boom.
here.
Power supply is installed. Okay, on to the next. Ready?
Yeah. Let's put the chip.
This is the storage, right? Where are you gonna install that at?
Right here.
Right there. Perfect, perfect. Okay, the storage is installed. And you gotta check that off.
We need to check off the storage.
We're almost done.
We are gonna put the graphics card in here.
Cool, all right. Open it up.
Let's do it. Now let's open it.
Ooh, look at that. Cool. Oh, look at this. Crazy looking. Okay, so this is the graphics card right here.
The graphics card, and it's pretty big.
Yeah, it's pretty big, so it's going hopefully gonna fit in there. Okay, ready? Okay, so
And the graphics
card is finally installed. So you're gonna check that off. So what we got now? So we installed the motherboard, the CPU, the RAM, graphics card, storage, power supply, got the fans. Okay. Next is the wireless modem. Okay. So that's the wireless modem. Ready to install that?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's
So get your scissor.
open it. Now let's open it. So we got this stuff. Oh.
That's the modem. Tight. Good job. Now, this other one?
Wait, we don't need to take these off?
No, that's the antenna for the modem, for the wireless modem. Cool. Awesome. Modem is installed. So check that off.
Now let's go
now we
on.
have the keyboard and the
yes.
mouse in the case.
Yes, I'm ready for the keyboard.
Okay.
This is so fun.
What you doing? Okay, so before we put the mouse and the keyboard, we'll do some cable management, right? Here, we're all neat and tucked in. Then we'll be almost done, right? Pretty much done. Show what you got right here, buddy.
The cable mat is done.
Cool, look at that. Good job, buddy.
Okay, now we finished the case. Now let's pull this off. Whoa.
Cool.
Ugh.
So let's spin the case around and see what we got. Okay. So mark off the, check off first what we got. So the case.
Case.
Good job. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's next?
Now we need to open the keyboard. I'm so excited for this one. So we need to open this keyboard. Now I don't know what to do with the keyboard, but now let's take off the tape.
Okay, we need to take all of it. Okay.
Okay.
Whoa, look at
Whoa.
that keyboard.
Look at this, and if you look at the front, Wow! Also, you need
See what?
keyboard. Got the keyboard out. Got the keyboard out.
Okay, see. Okay, now plug that in. So that's gonna be the keyboard.
Yeah, boy. Keyboard. Oh, I guess it's backwards. Haha.
Good job.
Now.
So the keyboard is checked. Now check mark keyboard.
Check my keyboard, baby. Now we got the keyboard. Then the last one is the mouse.
Here's the mouse.
Thank you. And it's already open. Look at this. Look.
You're what?
I can't see.
Okay.
While I'm checking out the mouse. Wow. That is amazing. Mouse is cool. Mouse. But the mouse, now we need to pull this off. Oh, yay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to plug this in again next to this wire. Look. Okay.
Okay, it's all set. Now check off the mouse.
Check.
And you are complete. Got everything we need. Good job, Zane.
Yay.
Cool? Yep. All right, Zane, ready?
Yes.
Moment of truth. Let me turn this switch in the back on. All right. All right. Go ahead, press the button. Cool, it's working. Look at that. It's loading up. High five, buddy.
Yeah.
Look at the keyboard. It glows.
Oh. Yeah, those too.
All right, we just set it up. Cool, done. Congrats, buddy. All right, so we want to confirm that everything's installed correctly by looking at this checkoff list.
Yep.
So of course, we got the motherboard. It's right there. Then we got the CPU, which is the brain. Right there, the AMD, which is 6-core. Then we got the RAM. We got the RAM, right? So here's the RAM. We have 2 RAM. The GPU is the graphics cards. We're pretty much it's working, right? So that's it. And the storage right here. We have the storage right there, SSD, 400 gigabytes. And we have the power source that's installed because, you know, it's turned on. We got the fans, right? Got 2 fans right here. 1, 2 fans working. Then we got the wireless modem where it's hooked up perfectly. We haven't hooked that up, but yeah, it's pretty much working. And keyboard, mouse, case, everything is good. Good? Good.
Now let's see. Computer and monitor. Let's go.
All right, start it up.
Okay.
And show me the computer. All right, this is your new monitor?
Yes.
Here's your camera, right? Then you're all set for school.
Yes, and let me show you one more thing. Excuse me, now just press a button. Now we're on.
Cool.